Greeting everyone, I am Christian Bresi and I work as a software developer at MuleSoft. I'll be explaining how to meet the configuration requirements for using the MuleSoft Zuora connector in a Mule project, and how to use the most common operations. In order to build and run this project, you will need to download the Zuora connector and you will need to download and install Mule Studio Community. We are going to start building our project now. As you can see here, I have created 5 flows. We are going to use one by one. First of all, we have the create account flow. We will write here create account. Then in the Zuora connector, we use the operation create. The type is account, and we're going to describe this account using a create list. The name, the status, the build cycle day, the currency, and the account number. We are going to test this. Here we have created our account. We're going to copy this ID because we are going to use this later. Now we return to Studio. Here we have the second flow, get accounts. The path get accounts. We're going to use the find operation and we write this select statement. We are going to retrieve all the accounts. So we write here get accounts. Here, as we can see, we have all the accounts. Now we return to Studio. Then we have the account profile flow. We write here account profile. Then in the Zuora connector, we use the account profile operation and we use the recently created account ID. We save this, then we are going to use this operation. So we write in the browser account profile. Here we have all the information about the recently created account. So we'll return to Studio. Then we have the update account. In path update account, we are going to use the update operation. In type, we write account, and then we use the property we want to update and the ID of the account. We save this, And now we're going to test this. Update account. Here we have our account updated. Finally, we're going to delete this account. So in path, delete account, the operation delete, the type is account, and then we define the ID of the account we want to remove. We save the changes and we test the operation. Here, as you can see, we have deleted the account. For more detailed information on Zuora operations, check the API docs available in the GitHub repository. There are also Mule School entries on the MuleSoft blog that are helpful for understanding Mule expressions or when integrating with other services. And not related to Mule USB, you can visit MuleSoft website where webinars and other documentation is available under the resources option. Thank you for watching.